Alright guys, so I know it's the time of year where everybody's gardens are popping off. I know mine is. And this food saver, the Protein food saver, is what I wanted to share with you because this gadget right here helps me freeze a lot of my garden vegetables. It's nicely sealed with no air, which does a lot of wonders when you're trying to store your food. So let me take you through this machine right here. It also comes with this little cutter so that way you can cut your bags to size. Okay, so this attachment right here is for if you're going to can or put anything in mason jars or anything like that. It's going to suck the air out of that. And this is the piece that this is going to link into. However, it doesn't come with this. You have to purchase this separately. But at least you'll know what this is and what it's used for. This package does come with 2 different size bags, which comes in very handy depending on what you're storing. Okay, so here is the unit up close and personal. As you can see, you have the vacuum seal cancel button, you have a seal only button, and you have vacuum only. Over here on these settings, there is the dry, moist, delicate, or soft, and that's the different types of food that you're putting inside the bag. Now this is the inside of the unit where you're going to place the bag, and you're going to want the bag, the open part of the bag, to be inside of this chamber right here, because that's what's going to give it the seal that it needs. It also does give you a spare gasket right here for right around here if you need it. So let me just show you how it works. So we're going to go ahead and just pre-cut the bag to size. So for the first part, since both sides of these bags are open, we're going to hit the seal only button first. So as you can see there, it is now sealed. Nothing's going to come through this side. It has been sealed. So I have pre-portioned some shrimp in this bag, and now I'm just going to seal it right on up. So I'll open this up, make sure the end is in the mouth here, and then shut. So vacuum only, we want the vacuum and seal. So as you can see, this has removed all the air. Okay, so as you can see, we have completely sealed this up and it's ready for freezing. Now keep in mind, you do not have to use freezer type items. You can use dry stuff. I have done a ton of frozen and a ton of dry storage. So either way, it works great. Definitely recommend this. It's definitely pretty durable. I have definitely put it through the paces with my garden this year and it has not let me down. So I highly recommend it if you're looking to preserve anything in your home.